Everyone thinks trees give us the most oxygen. It's a common belief that the lush green forests, with their towering trees and sprawling canopies, are the primary lungs of our planet. After all, we've been taught from a young age that trees are essential for producing the oxygen we breathe. They absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen through the process of photosynthesis, making them vital for our survival. But what if I told you that's not true? What if the real heroes of oxygen production are hidden beneath the waves, out of sight and often out of mind? But what if I told you that's not true? The truth is, while trees are incredibly important, they aren't the main source of the oxygen we rely on. In fact, the majority of the oxygen we breathe comes from a place that might surprise you: the ocean. Yes, the vast mysterious ocean that covers more than 70% of our planet's surface is the true powerhouse of oxygen production. Believe it or not, most of the oxygen you breathe is produced by the ocean. It's a fascinating and often overlooked fact that over 50% of Earth's oxygen comes from the ocean. This means that every second breath you take is thanks to the incredible processes happening beneath the ocean's surface. Comes from the ocean. That's right, over 50% of Earth's oxygen is produced by tiny ocean plants called phytoplankton. These microscopic marvels are the unsung heroes of our planet's oxygen supply. They might be small, but their impact is enormous. It's produced by tiny ocean plants called phytoplankton. Phytoplankton are microscopic plants that float near the surface of the ocean. They are the foundation of the marine food web, providing nourishment for a wide range of sea creatures, from tiny zooplankton to massive whales. But their role doesn't stop there. Through the process of photosynthesis, phytoplankton convert sunlight into energy, producing oxygen as a byproduct. This oxygen then diffuses into the water and eventually makes its way into the atmosphere, where it becomes part of the air we breathe. Phytoplankton are microscopic plants that float near the surface of the ocean. Just like trees, they use sunlight to make oxygen through photosynthesis, but on a much larger scale. The sheer volume of phytoplankton in the ocean means that their collective oxygen production far surpasses that of all the world's forests combined. It's a staggering thought, isn't it? These tiny plants, invisible to the naked eye, are responsible for producing more than half of the oxygen we depend on, of the ocean. Just like trees, they use sunlight to make oxygen through photosynthesis, but on a much larger scale. The process of photosynthesis in phytoplankton is similar to that in terrestrial plants. They absorb carbon dioxide and, using the energy from sunlight, convert it into organic compounds. Oxygen is released as a byproduct, which then supports life both in the ocean and on land. The scale of this process in the ocean is truly mind-boggling, given the vast expanse of the marine environment and the abundance of phytoplankton within it. Through photosynthesis, but on a much larger scale, the ocean's role in oxygen production is a testament to the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. It highlights the importance of preserving our marine ecosystems, which are under threat from pollution, climate change, and overfishing. Protecting the ocean means protecting the very air we breathe. Trees are still super important, especially for storing carbon. Trees play a crucial role in sequestering carbon dioxide, helping to mitigate the effects of climate change. They provide habitat for countless species, support biodiversity, and offer numerous ecosystem services. But when it comes to oxygen production, the ocean is the real MVP. But when it comes to oxygen, the ocean is the real MVP. The next time you take a deep breath, remember that the ocean is working tirelessly to keep our atmosphere rich in oxygen. It's a reminder of the incredible natural processes that sustain life on our planet, and the importance of protecting our oceans for future generations. Every second breath you take comes from the ocean. This simple fact underscores the vital connection between the health of our oceans and the health of our planet. By supporting marine conservation efforts, reducing plastic pollution, and advocating for sustainable fishing practices, we can help ensure that the ocean continues to thrive and provide the oxygen we need. Next time you take a deep breath, thank the sea. The ocean's contribution to our oxygen supply is just one of the many reasons to appreciate and protect this incredible natural resource. So the next time you find yourself by the sea, take a moment to breathe deeply and give thanks to the ocean for the life-sustaining oxygen it provides. Did this surprise you? Let me know in the comments. Were you aware of the ocean's crucial role in oxygen production? Share your thoughts and let's start a conversation about the importance of our oceans and what we can do to protect them. And don't forget to follow for more mind-blowing facts. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the natural world and the incredible processes that sustain life on our planet. Together we can learn, appreciate, and take action to protect our environment.